Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Friday. Fabulous Friday. Last night, Robin and I had leftover white lasagna. Just as good, if not better, from the night before. Yes. Today and tonight, I am preparing Carne Asada tacos with Mexican rice. The Mexican rice is another version that I am trying. Let's get to it. Got some hardware. All right, for the asada tacos, we have some flank steak, a bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of orange juice, some apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, garlic, and cilantro. What's missing, and I'm going to go over here, is the asada seasoning. As you can see, we have many herbs and spices. Too many to list, but I will. I'm going to go with California chili powder, cumin powder, Mexican oregano, celery flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, coriander powder, cayenne pepper, and chipotle pepper. Yes, I'm being a mixologist today. And for the rice is a long grain white rice, chicken stock, tomato sauce, some red onion, some granulated garlic. This is taking place of some ground cumin, and of course there'll be tortillas. So yes, I get to play mixologist today with the herbs and spices for the asada seasoning. Yes. So, I hope you all have a great Friday. Eat great food and have fun cooking. Phenomena.